So we have demarcated some pathway, right? So that's Diwane, Parwane and Mastani. All right?
Hey,
Shrikant, this side. You're not going there. Yeah. Perfect. All right, let's spread yourself. If you are comfortable, you can be seated there. Let's spread yourself. So this is team Diwane, this is team Parwane, this is team Mastani. Okay? So 3 teams are there. We'll do various rounds of Antakshari, different types of Antakshari throughout this morning session. So first we will go with the regular Antakshari. Regular Antakshari क्या होता है? You sing a song and the last letter pick up and then you can start singing from that. Okay?
Any language or no?
Ideally Hindi. Right? Let's start because this is the first time we are doing. Let's not complicate too much with different regional languages and things like that. Let's start with Hindi, right? And then see how we can build it up slowly in the next event or something like that. This is also for organizers to understand how Antakshari can be conducted because we haven't conducted Antakshari yet. What's the audience like, right? Because unlike singing in Antakshari, your knowledge of music and your knowledge of words, lyrics, etc. is more important than the way you sing, right? So this is a test. So let's see how the test goes. So let's start. Yeah, it's only Hindi. As of now, it's only Hindi. I'll give one mic to you. This team Diwane. Can we explain this? Jati Mastani. The mic that I have, I'll share with. What is your team name? Thank you so much. आप ही attentive हो यहाँ. Team परवाने में सिर्फ यही attentive है. Great. So let's start. Thank you. Manjul sir reminded me that it's not that just one team is singing. If they have started, others can also join, right? But it's see we are actually tracking marks and all. Okay. So it's up to you that if you give up the clues, then you lose the marks. Okay? So don't give up the clues. After they start, you can start singing as well. Okay? Can I have a volunteer kid? Anay, can I have can you come? Can you track marks of the team? Can you write down marks? I will tell you what to write, you should write down. Okay? Come. Give a big round of applause to Anay. And since this is the first round, okay, I will be lenient, okay, and I'll tell you what does leniency means as well. I'll give you an example and I'll tell you, but then let us start at least, okay. The way typically we start. Okay, before I start, I wanted to ask this question. We all have played Antakshari, correct? In some form or other. Can anyone tell me your memories of Antakshari? What does Antakshari means to you? One word or one small phrase. I don't want too much explanation. Just one word or one phrase. What does Antakshari mean to you?
Anu Kapoor.
Okay. One by one, sorry. Anu Kapoor, right? Very good. Next, Manju sir, you're saying something?
Last letter.
Last letter. Antakshari means last letter. Very good. That's a very logical, engineer's way of answering.
Bonding over music.
Sorry?
Bonding over music.
Perfect. Bonding over music. Lovely. Back to 50s in 2025. Sir, lovely Aditya. Nice. Back to 50s in 2025. Please.
The end alphabet should not come to me. That is the main
What memories of Antakshari do you have?
For me, it is entertainment.
Perfect, sir. Perfect.
College hostel.
College hostel. Yes. Lovely. For me, Antakshari means what? Electricity. Exactly, right? Because when we were growing up, you know, when the electricity used to go off, and we used to say, बैठे बैठे क्या करे, करना है कुछ काम, शुरू करो अंताक्षरी, लेके प्रभु का नाम, माँ से कहिए।
माई माई मुझे तेरी बोल रहा है दादा, जीवन को तेरी दुलारी मुझो की संग लागा।
That is not the last program.
बोलिए कलाइया
कि बारात
निकली है दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे, सपनों की पहचान गई थे, दिलों को पुकारे, दिल के द्वारे।
राम तेरा गंगा गई
पापियों के पाप धोते धोते,
राम
तेरी गंगा गई हो गई,
पापियों के पाप
धोते
धोते
आ गया कैसे गया?
तू प्रेमी आहा, मैं प्रेमी आहा, तू राजी आहा, मैं राजी आहा, फिर क्या डैडी क्या अम्मा, एक बस तू ही प्यार के काबिल, सारा जहां है निकम्मा, तमा तमा लोगे, तमा तमा लोगे, तमा I am just an organizer or an anchor who's conducting. It's on the team to give you the letter. Ma. They have given ma.
मेरे दिल में आज क्या है, जो चाहे तो मैं बताऊं, मेरे दिल में आज क्या है, जो चाहे तो मैं बताऊं, तेरी जुल्फ फिर सजा दूं, तेरी मांग फिर सजा दूं, मेरे दिल में आज क्या है, तू कहे तो मैं बता दूं।
We have done 2 rounds.
Two rounds,
Hold on, hold on. We have done 2 rounds. Okay. At the end of the 2 rounds, Anay is going to tell the score. Okay. Anay, how much did Divane score?
10 20
Okay, Divane 20. How much Parwane scored? 20 Parwane. And Mastane? 20. अब आया ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे. Okay. So अभी तक we were kind of warming up, correct? Right? So अभी मैं exact rules बताऊंगा आपको कि अंताक्षरी का rules क्या होता है. Okay? Now let me take an example and tell, right? And I think I told this example to some of them as well. हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए. ये करेक्ट? ये जो मैं गाया हूँ ह से, ये करेक्ट है कि गलत है? वेरी गुड. क्यों गलत है? Perfect. Okay, understood. The गाना does not start with हम तुम. It start with बाहर से कोई अंदर ना आ सके. Right? Okay. If the song has हो hey, that is allowed. वो माफ है. But this was a part of a song, right? बाहर से कोई अंदर ना आ सके. Okay, that was one mistake. Thank you, Manisha. और क्या mistake था इसमें? और भी तो mistake है. और क्या mistake था? Right, the mistake is हमेशा अंताक्षरी में एक पूरा मुखड़ा गाना होता है, right? So it's not that you just sing a half of it and say. एक मुखड़ा गाने के बाद दोबारा आप कोई वर्ड को चूज करके दे सकते हो, बट आधे में नहीं रोक सकते. इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए. आगे क्या है? तेरे नैनों की भूल भुलैया में वो भी खो जाए. Then समझ गए? अब से राउंड में, in this round, what we'll do, we will have to adhere to these rules. Okay? Perfect? That's all समझ गए. That's all समझ गए. And I give a word to them.
She sure.
Sure. नहीं पूरा तो कंप्लीट करो. I can't be partial. लब पे आते आते साहिल से सागर छूट जाता है, छूट जाता है, छूट जाता है. You want to give her? Okay. 10 marks.
हमें तुमसे प्यार इतना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. हमें तुमसे प्यार
नहीं मुखड़ा पूरा. But the same will repeat. Ra. Or you can.
Hey, कितना ना? Do you want to give ना? Okay.
You have to sing and give. एक बार देने के बाद फिर पूरा गाओ, फिर दो. हाँ, रा से गाओ.
रोते हुए
आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा.
आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा. ओ मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, ओ मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, जाने मन कहलाएगा. रोते हुए आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा.
G. Okay, G for you, G. La. Okay, la.
लो चली मैं अपनी देवर की बारात लेके, लो चली मैं
ना बैंड बाजा
नहीं बाराती, खुशियों की सौगात लेके, लो चली मैं अपनी देवर की बारात लेके, लो
बारह से
चली मैं.
आपका निकले.
माँ
Very good. Start.
मेरे मितवा मेरे गीत रे तुझको पुकारे मेरे गीत रे मेरे गीत रे ओ मेरे मितवा मेरे गीत रे तुझको पुकारे मेरे गीत रे मेरे गीत रे ओ मेरे मितवा
वाह
वाह